Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to compare an edited picture to the original version in Adobe Photoshop. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on a picture and you can edit something about the picture. I'm just going to edit the looks, for example. Like I'm just going to press on the autumn look here and I'm going to simply just swipe to the left, to the right to give the exact effect a much more distinct look. And if you want to compare it to the original picture, just look in the top of your screen and press on the middle option there. And this is how your original picture looks like. And if you let it go, this is the edited version. And you can check what kind of difference does it make. Does it make a better difference? Does it make a worse difference? And according to that, you can continue editing. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.